careful.
What you doing?
I am out of bullets.
You're out of bullets?
Yeah, but I gotta put tape.
You're gonna put tape on it?
I hope this. Okay. Now to the bullets.
Maybe, if not, I can leave it in the mailbox.
I just have to squeeze the bullets out, and then
Yeah, no problem. I don't even want to know what he thinks is going on.
Hey! What in the world are you doing? Hey, Psycho Boy, what are you doing? James, can you just tell me what do you want for Christmas?
A stinky car truck and zoom zoom cars and a paint and what's what you want, Mom?
I don't know. I've heard the list a lot. I don't know.
Legos.
Legos? And did you say a stinky fire truck?
No, it's stinky guard truck.
A what?
Stinky guard truck.
I'm not sure what that is.
It's stinky guard truck.
Oh, Stinky's garbage truck?
Yeah.
Is that new?
Yeah, and they want Legos and tools again, and more Legos and more tools and more puzzles and more books and lots of books and fill out my room of books.
And a room full of books?
Yeah.
A library.
You want a library?
Yeah.
Yeah?
And what else I want is scissors.
Scissors?
No, you just pull the
Paper
stuff out of
and
that.
pigs and
Pigs?
Paints.
Oh, they said pig.
Paints.
and I did.
Oh, let me see it.
Oh, there you go.
Okay, that's it.
That's it?
Yeah,
Oh,
I
that's
think
it?
that's
What do you want me and Papa Joe to get you? What
uh,
should we get you?
I don't know. You tell me.
No, I can't tell you. It won't be a surprise.
Please, I want you to tell me.
No way, man.
Please.
No.
What about for your birthday?
No.
Oh, that's right. Your birthday is coming up too.
Your birthday is in
I think
December
he
12th.
went number 2. This little guy.
Oh.
I kept thinking that I smelled something and
Yeah.
I kept checking
Well,
him.
I know he
Well, that
farted on
isn't
me a
proper
couple
material
times,
for the video camera.
So